Hello friends, welcome to my channel Only Bio. Presenting up the NCERT based MCQs from the chapter Reproductive Health. Friends, in this series, the first 13 MCQs have been taken from the NEET exemplar, and following that are all the additional MCQs for your practice, so please follow this entire series. So in this segment, we are presenting up with the MCQs from 11 to 20, of which 11th, 12th and the 13th one are the exemplar questions, and all of which are definitely essential for the students who are intending to get ready for NEET, CET, KVPY, and this would also help the CBSE, HSC, ICSE and the IGCSE students. Question number 11. Choose the correct statement regarding the ZIFT procedure. A. Ova collected from a female donor are transferred to the fallopian tube to facilitate zygote formation. B. A zygote is collected from a female donor and transferred to the fallopian tube. C. A zygote is collected from a female donor and transferred to the uterus. D. Ova collected from a female donor and transferred to the uterus. And the correct answer for this question is B. A zygote is collected from a female donor and transferred to the fallopian tube. So it is zygote intrafallopian technique, the transfer. Question number 12. The correct surgical procedure as a contraceptive method is dash. A. Ovariectomy. B. Hysterectomy. C. Vasectomy. D. Castration. And the correct answer for this question is C. Vasectomy. Friends, oophorectomy is a surgical removal of ovaries. It's not ovariectomy. Then vasectomy is a surgical procedure in which the vasa deferentia are cut and tied off as a family planning technique. Castration is a surgical removal of the testes, and hysterectomy is the surgical removal of the uterus. So the correct surgical procedure as a contraceptive method is vasectomy. Question number 13, that's the last exemplar question. Diaphragms are contraceptive devices used by females. Choose the correct option from the statements given below. First, they are introduced into the uterus. Second, they are placed to cover the cervical region. Third, they act as physical barriers for the sperm entry. Fourth, they act as spermicidal agents. And the options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 2 and 3, D. 3 and 4. And the correct answer for this question is C. 2 and 3 are the correct answers for the statements. That is, the diaphragms are placed to cover the cervical region, and the diaphragms act as physical barriers for the sperm entry. So friends, this was the last exemplar question, and now onwards all other additional questions for your practice. Question number 14. Which of the following is hormone releasing? A. Multilode 375, B. LNG20, C. Lipase loop, D. copper 7. And the correct answer for this question is B. LNG20. So the hormone releasing intrauterine device is LNG20. See, intrauterine devices are ideal contraceptive methods which are used by the females to prevent pregnancy. The hormone-releasing IUDs make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperms. Hence, option B, that is LNG20, is the correct option. Now, lipase loop is a non-medicated intrauterine device, whereas copper 7 and multilode 375 are copper releasing IUDs. Question number 15. Which among the following is commonly called withdrawal method? A. Lactational amenorrhea. B. Coitus interruptus. C. Periodic abstinence. D. Rhythm method. And the correct answer for this question is B. So coitus interruptus refers to withdrawal method. Question number 16. In which of the following ARTs, that is assisted reproductive technologies, does in vivo fertilization occur? A. ZIFT. B. GIFT. C. ICSI. D. IVF. And the correct answer for this question is B. GIFT. That is gamete intrafallopian transfer. It is the assisted reproductive technology in which in vivo fertilization occurs, because in vivo basically involves in the body, that is the fusion of the male and the female gametes inside the body of the female, and in gift ova from one woman is transferred to a woman who is not able to produce the ovum but can provide suitable environment for development of the embryo. So in vivo fertilization is gift, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Question number 17. Surgical methods, also called as sterilisation techniques, are foolproof methods to prevent pregnancy, but it is the last option for many couples because A. It is nearly irreversible. B. Of lack of sufficient facilities in many parts of the country. C. Of fear that it will reduce the sexual drive. D. All of these. And the correct answer for this question is D. All of these. Question number 18. The oral contraceptive pills mainly contain the hormones A. Estrogen and luteinizing hormone. B. Progesterone and estrogen. C. Estrogens and follicle stimulating hormone. D. Progesterone and follicle stimulating hormone. And the correct answer for this question is B. So the oral contraceptive pills mainly contain the hormones progesterone and estrogen. Question number 19. Diaphragms are the contraceptive devices used by females. Choose the correct option about them. A. They are reusable. B. They block the entry of the sperms. C. They are placed to cover the cervix. D. All of these. And the correct answer for this question is D. All of these. Question number 20. ZIFT is transfer of dash. A. A mixture of sperms and ova into the fallopian tube. B. Zygote intrafallopian tube. C. Embryo into the uterus. D. A mixture of sperms and ova into the uterus. And the correct answer is B. That is zygote intrafallopian tube transfer. Friends, I'm sure the series will help you. Please follow the entire series and do subscribe if you're new to my channel. Keep studying with me. Thank you.